Welcome to Advanced Engineering. Jura is here. We're in Hall 3 on Stand G165, and we brought not one, not two, but three separate workshops. We start with the Jura 600 series. We've got our static, and we've also got our mobile units as well. We brought this with us. This is a real favourite. This is our fold-out workbench. Simply raise and pull out the leaf, same that side, and you've got a nice secure workspace that you can move all around your workshop. Next we have our advanced workshop, and in this one we've got a few samples of our beautiful worktops, and down here a few samples of all of the different colours you can have your workshop. So whether that's a personal preference or indeed corporate identity, you can have it customised with Jura. In the centre we have our height adjustable workbench. It starts down at about 80 centimetres and goes all the way up to 120. And then here, this is a future concept from Jura. It is our Smart Toolbox. Using the app, you can see who has had access, and you can also limit the access to your tools, and you can also use the kit system to keep control of the tools within. And then here, making its UK debut, it is the 400 series. Slightly lighter weight than the 600 series, but still built to Jura specifications of absolute quality. This is your first opportunity to see the new 400 series, and it comes complete with beautiful soft close. So that's all for you to see on our stand at Advanced Engineering. You'll find us in Hall 3, stand G165. We're here on Wednesday the 30th and Thursday the 31st of October.